In this video, I'll show you how I made this witch-inspired Halloween wreath. Here are the supplies that I used. A wagon wheel wreath form, black pipe cleaners, witch feet door hanger from Dollar Tree, 9-inch black decorative mesh, 6-inch green and purple decorative mesh, ribbon, hot glue gun and cutting tools, glitter stems from the Dollar Tree, small witch hat, purple mesh cord, and a stick from my own yard. The first thing that I did was take the 9-inch mesh and cut it up into a bunch of 9-inch squares. I then took the decorative cording and cut it also into 9-inch pieces. Next, I took one of the mesh squares and, grabbing alternate diagonal corners, pulled it to make an elongated kind of diamond shape, and then added a piece of the cording to the middle and used one of the pipe cleaners to twist it together. I repeated this process for all the pieces that I had cut. Then I took the 6-inch mesh and cut those into 9-inch strips as well. Then I took one strip of each color, held them together, and at about an inch away from the end I wrapped another pipe cleaner around to hold them together. Then, using just the first 5 spokes of the wagon wheel form, I attached all the black pieces to represent the witch's hair. And to make the witch's dress, I just filled in the rest of it with the green and purple pieces. Then I flipped the wreath over and took the witch feet door hangers and just attached them to the back with another pipe cleaner. And this is what we had so far. I then took a bunch of scrap pieces of ribbon and just tied a messy bow to fill in the center of the wreath. To attach the hat, I took a spare piece of doweling that I had and just hot glued it in the center to give me something to attach it to stick down through the wreath. For the broom, I just took the glitter stems and trimmed them down and glued them to the end of the stick, and then used some ribbon to kind of just wrap around all the way up the handle of the broom for a little decorative effect. I then just attached the broom to the back side of the wreath using pipe cleaners. And there's the final product.